In this video, we're going to show you how to install the cabin air filter on your Hyundai Elantra, located behind the glove box. Now with the passenger side door open, we want to go ahead and open up and remove our glove box door. Go ahead and drop the door open. Remove any contents you may have in there. Now on the right hand side here, we have this component right here, this little rod, and this is to help dampen the door as it drops down. You're simply going to get behind it and pull it out off of that pin. Now that we have the dampening rod off the side, inside the glove box is going to be a dial. There's one here, and there's actually one on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and grab that, turn it counterclockwise, and remove it. This is a locking pin here. Go ahead and do that on the other side. Go ahead and pull that out. And then the glove box should drop down. Now with the glove box drop down, you're going to go ahead and access your cabin air filter right here. Now on either side, there's little pinch tabs. Pinch and pull, and then pinch and pull. Remove that cover. Right here is your air filter. And you might happen to notice that there is a down arrow. This is the airflow from the top of the dashboard down. Go ahead and grab that filter, wiggle that out. And one of the reasons why you might be replacing this cabin air filter is that, well, you might be having some weird smells and things like that, and that would be why. I'm going to go ahead and remove this here. You can see inside there's all kinds of debris. I want to go ahead and grab our vacuum and clean up the inside here. Go ahead and take your cabin air filter. Make sure that it has the airflow with the arrow facing down. You want to push that in and make sure that it's fully seated. Go ahead and grab that cover, line up those little tabs, press it on. You're going to hear that lock and engage. Let's now go ahead and lift up our glove box itself. I'm going to install our locking dials here. I'm going to line these up. Insert and turn those clockwise until they click in. Do the same on the other side here. Once those are both locked in, I want to go ahead and grab our damper here on the side, line that up and push that onto the pin. You're going to hear it click in. Install your glove box items and then close it up. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.